Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn about the concept sum of a GP means geometric progression of infinite terms. So you might be thinking that how can we find the sum of infinite terms? But here this is the special case in the geometric progression. So suppose there is a series that is AR square, AR cube. So here what we can say, the first term is A and the common ratio is R. Now if mod R is less than 1, then only the sum of the series can be calculated. Means if the value of R lies between -1 and 1, then only sum exists. Then if we need to find the sum of infinite terms whose value of common ratio lies between -1 to 1, the formula is A divided by 1 minus R, where mod R less than 1, then series converges. Converges means we will get a definite sum. And if mod R is greater than equal to 1, then this series diverges. Diverges means in that case that the sum of the series will be infinite, means we would not be able to calculate it exactly. So this is the concept. Now I have written a already sample example of this concept. Like suppose this is the series -5 divided by 4 plus 5 divided by 16 plus -5 divided by 64 plus, and we have to add this up to infinite. So from here we can say that the first term of the series is -5 by 4, and if we need to find out, then we need to divide the second term by the first term. So if we will solve this, what we will get? We will get -1 by 4, and we know that -1 by 4 belongs to interval -1, 1. It means the sum of the series will be converges. So if we need to find the sum of the series, so we can find it A divided by 1 minus R. So A is -5 by 4, 1 minus R is -1 by 4. So if we will solve this, what we will get? This is -5 divided by 4, and this is 5 divided by 4. So the sum of the series would be -1. So this is not the exact sum, this is approximate sum. So this how we can find the sum of the series whose ratio lies between number -1 to 1. So I hope you learn this concept, and if you want to ask any other doubt related to this or any other concept in mathematics, science, engineering, so you can visit our websites and post your doubts there. And I have also designed a calculator based on this concept. I will put down the link of that in the comment box below. You can visit that and you can access that calculator. It is free of use. Thank you very much.